Hello everyone, welcome back. A few weeks ago I made a video on how to make coffee jelly. And I promised you then that I would give you a video showing how one way you could use this in a recipe. So today is the day and we are going to make a pie. We're ready to make our Frappe-Mocha-Lattecino pie. So the first thing, because it's coffee, is I have had this in the refrigerator because if you watch the coffee jelly video, it didn't get fully gelled, even though I added a lot of extra pectin. But it does thicken up in the refrigerator. So we're gonna put a nice layer of that on the bottom. And no, I don't measure. We're making up a recipe. I just want a good layer of that coffee jelly on the bottom. I wouldn't want to go too much because you know what? It's going to be pretty sweet. So that should be enough. Maybe 1/4 inch. Just so you got a nice layer on the bottom. Now we need some kind of chocolate. So I have chocolate pudding that I made yesterday. So it's nice and cold. I'm going to stir it up. And I don't really want to mix them together, so I'm putting dollops and then spreading the tops of that, and I think that's going to work best. No, probably won't use all of the pudding, but you know what? That's okay. Then you have chocolate pudding to eat too. And we do want a good layer of the chocolate in there. Okay, so we've got our coffee, we've got our chocolate. Now we're gonna do some caramel. And yes, I'm cheating. This is caramel syrup because I didn't have time to make any. And we just want a thin layer on top of the chocolate pudding. That's what we've got so far. Now we need some cream. So I made some whipped cream. And again, we're going to dollop on top. The beauty of this, use as much or as little of any of these ingredients as you like. This is just what I think is going to taste really good. Well, we need to garnish it. We started with the coffee, so we're going to take more of it. And just drizzle that across the top. Then we're going to take some of that caramel and already I know this is going to be really good. But then we need to take some chocolate shavings. So there you go. The Frappe-Mocha-Lattecino pie. Isn't it pretty? But we've still got to taste it. We didn't get around to this yesterday because we went to a memorial service, and by the time we were finished, we ate way too much. So today is Father's Day, and we're going to cut a piece of this
Frappe-Mocha-Lattecino. And by the way, what do you mean we? That's mine.
Okay. So we're going to cut this Frappe-Mocha-Lattecino pie, and he's going to taste it because he just said that. So.
Yes, I am.
So I'm going to cut this up and we'll show you what we think. This is a baby pie, but I made a full size one and took to that memorial service. So we've already tasted it, and I know pretty much what to expect, but it was a hit. Let's see if I can get this out. Baby piece of pie.
Actually, that's about the right size for me.
I know it is, right? So that's kind of what it looks like inside. And the coffee jelly, as I expected, kind of was a little bit runny. But you know what? That was good. Let's get Brian to take a taste.
What happened to ladies first?
It's Father's Day.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. That's really, really good.
It's rich.
Yes, it is. Well, a small piece like this is all I'll probably eat. Wow. You taste the coffee, the chocolate, the cream, the drizzle, the caramel. There's a lot going on. It's all good.
It's a Frappe-Mocha-Lattecino pie.
Well, no, that's so good I'd rub it in my hair.
Okay, come up with a new one. You already used that one.
Yeah, I know I did. I got to do something else. You want to get a taste of this. If I keep doing this, I'm going to eat the whole thing.
I'll take one taste. Keep it refrigerated. And again, I had this in the refrigerator since yesterday and it kept really well. And I actually think it was better. I think the flavors kind of melted.
Yep.
And I think the coffee jelly got a little more firm. But what I also found out yesterday is that coffee jelly that got a little bit runny, everybody was putting that on top and using it on top of the pie, and it was like a sauce, and it was so good.
Yep.
They actually used spoons to finish off what was left in the pie plate, so it really was a hit. So, Frappe-Mocha-Lattecino pie, and this is how you can use your coffee jelly. Thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Be sure and subscribe and hit the notification bell for all notifications so you get notified when I do these crazy things. God bless, and we'll talk soon. Okay, we're ready to make our Frappe-Mocha-Lattecino pie. We're ready to make our Frappe-Mocha latte. We're ready to make our Frappe. We're made.